In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva QR code. We will walk through each thing you should check so your code scans reliably every time. First, make sure the URL you are using is correct. Take a second to actually read the entire web address you pasted into Canva. On screen, you should see the link field showing the destination for your QR code. If that link points to the wrong page or to a page that no longer exists, the QR code will still scan, but it will lead people to the wrong place or an error page. Now check for typos. Even a single wrong letter or an extra space can break the link. Look closely at the domain name and at any long tracking strings at the end. A common beginner mistake is copying a link that has a space at the start or end, which is hard to see in Canva. If you suspect anything, delete the link and paste it again carefully. Once that looks right, include HTTPS at the beginning. For example, you want it to look like https@spawn.com, not just example.com. Many sites do redirect, but some scanners struggle when the protocol is missing. When you add HTTPS, Canva treats it clearly as a full web address. You should see the link field starting with those 5 characters before the rest of your site. At this point, test the URL in your browser before generating the QR code. Copy the exact link from Canva, switch to your browser, and paste it into the address bar. When you press enter, the page should load correctly without any extra warnings or redirect errors. If your browser cannot open it, a QR code pointing to that same link will not work either, so fix the link here first. From there, regenerate the QR code in Canva after correcting the link. Remove the old code in your design, then add a new QR element and paste the corrected URL. Canva will redraw the pattern based on the new address. You should see the code update on screen within a second. Once it refreshes, the printed or exported version will match the corrected link. Next up, increase the QR code size. Very small QR codes can be difficult for phones to focus on, especially in indoor lighting. Drag a corner handle so the code is clearly larger than nearby icons or logos. After resizing, do a quick test by holding your own phone at a normal reading distance. If you need to get extremely close to scan, make it bigger. After that, ensure there is enough white space around the QR code. Designers call this the quiet zone. Avoid placing text, logos, or other graphics right up against the black squares. You want a clear white frame around all 4 sides. If anything overlaps that border, many scanners will misread the edges and fail to lock onto the code. Now it is time to export in high quality. Go to Share, then Download. On the Download panel, confirm you are exporting the page or pages that contain your QR code so you do not miss it by accident. Choose PNG or PDF print for the best quality. PNG keeps the sharp square edges on the code, and PDF print is ideal for professional printers. Both formats preserve the contrast and detail your scanner needs. Finally, avoid heavily compressed JPG files. Strong compression introduces blurry edges and small artifacts between the black and white modules. Those little distortions can be enough to confuse some scanning apps, especially after printing or when viewed on a screen with glare. You have now fixed your Canva QR code by correcting the link, regenerating it, sizing it properly, and exporting in high quality. If this helped your codes finally scan, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Canva fixes.